Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, and I'm at the CEO Networking Night with the PCBA, and I'm here with Dr. Shaing from Prismark, who's traveled all the way from the US to be here. So, simple first question, sir, why?
Well, actually, to join the PCBA exhibition and the conference, because a lot of people coming over from all over the world, join this conference and looking for the opportunity to grow their business here and also to work with the people in Thailand and develop, the PCB business in this land.
Yeah, so you're seeing a lot of future potential here as well as other places in Asia.
Yeah, actually, I think the printed circuit board business has moved to Asia over the past 25, 30 years, particularly after 2020.
Yeah.
And, start from, Korea, Taiwan, China, and now it's migrating to Southeast Asia. And Thailand is really the center part of this Southeast Asia and attract a lot of investment because people see the opportunities here.
Yeah, I mean, over this week have talked to quite a few people, and I'm surprised. PCB is really strong here, but the PCBA seems to be slipping behind a little bit. I don't know if you're seeing the same.
Yeah, that's true, because I think we have a lot of the PCB establishment in Thailand already by people like KCE, Apex, and CMK and Chimpong and other people. But the board actually produced in Thailand mostly are supporting the PCBA in other regions.
Yeah.
Okay. And but I think that's certainly one of the area that we can try to address in Thailand.
Yeah.
Try to grow and bring more PCBA and to establish the assembly business here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually like you. I'm very surprised. I've just interviewed the general manager from Plexus. I mean, they've been here for 3 years. They absolutely love being here. It's a great environment for them. I talked today with a lady from Celestica. I mean, they've been here 30 years.
Okay.
And they love it.
Yes.
But, there aren't the other big names appearing that probably you and I would expect to be here because it seems to be a great environment for manufacturing and assembly. There's a lot of support from the government.
Yeah.
There's a lot of training happening for young engineers.
Yes. Yes.
I mean, I talked to a guy today and he said, Keith, in 5 years we were going to train 80,000 people.
Yeah.
And I laughed because I didn't believe him. And he said, no, we're deadly serious. And he could even give me a breakdown. So many engineers, so many for design, so many for development.
Yeah.
And, it seems to be almost like the perfect environment and ecosystem for growth.
Yes.
I mean, you guys have much more experience than me, but you must be looking at this in the same way and thinking, it's going to explode very soon.
It is actually because I think when you're looking at the electronic industry right now, part of the reason is people looking for diversify, and try to diversify and reach more balanced supply chain, and plus the U.S. tariff. So you have the diversification, tariff influence, and that is going to shape or reshape the supply chain. And, this process is going to encourage people to move, from maybe China to some other region. And clearly, a lot of people looking at, the potential growth in South Asia, particularly like in Thailand. So that's one area is influenced by the geopolitical tension, by the macroeconomics. The other thing actually is, in the electronic industry, a lot of growth actually happening centered around the AI. Artificial intelligence also, encourage a lot of the new, development in semiconductor, in PCBs, in assembly. So they need a new capacity. They need a new technology. They need a place they can grow, and they have a labor. They have a dedicated people, they have a strong supporting government, and also good engineer. And Thailand actually in many ways that, offer that. So people see that is, from both ends, from the emerging technology, emerging market, and plus the macroeconomic trend. And the combination actually can create, the opportunity happen here in Thailand.
Yeah, it becomes getting closer and closer to like the perfect environment for everything to happen. It just needs a couple of sparks, I think, and then it's
Yeah.
gonna go.
Yeah, I think, definitely, I think, Thailand has lovely people, very friendly people. And also Thailand has been, working very hard to try to grow the local engineer. Okay. But definitely there are also, when people come over from all over the world, they need to do more. Okay, the government needed to provide, more incentives. Okay, and also, people looking for more talent, skillful workers. Okay, and that will take some time. But ultimately, is people looking for opportunity. People want to make money, and I think that's something that we all have to keep in mind. To make that happen, certainly you need everybody in this, all the party involved in to work together to develop more coherent effort. Okay, from the government, from the association, from local industry, from the global, electronics company, and everybody. We need to work together and make things happen. Make things happen that making that they can make money. Then everybody will be happy, right? Not only
Yep.
the people who enjoy the weather, the the city, the
Yep.
nightlife and everything, but also they can make the business work.
Well, thank you for that very succinct definition of what Thailand needs to do for the future, sir. And I'm sure you're going to be part of it.
Okay.
And I will hopefully see you back here next year with
Yep.
more success stories. That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing out.